Ever wondered how to quickly and safely get money sent from abroad into your bank account using Taptap Send? Let's dive into how to receive money sent to you via Taptap Send directly into your bank account. First, the sender must have initiated a transaction using the Taptap Send app. Once the money is sent, you, the receiver, will typically be notified via SMS or the Taptap Send app itself. Carefully check your notification and also your email box for a payment confirmation. After the notification, the money transfer is basically done. Now, let's check you received the money to your bank account. You'll need to log into your bank account through your mobile banking app or your bank's website. Look for a recent transaction with the name Taptap Send or a similar identifier. If you see the transaction listed, congratulate yourself, the money has successfully been transferred to your account. However, if you don't see the transaction, there may be a slight delay. Give it a few business days. If it is still not reflected, you can contact your bank and Taptap Send customer support for assistance, providing them with relevant information. And just a reminder, always keep your personal banking information and details private.